Okay, what's going on, guys? It's Nick here with Stern Signature, and today we're going to be unboxing my new ZWO ASI294mc Pro. So, here is my box. I just got it. Brand new, opened from, I ordered this from Arizona, out of Arizona. Very good company. I would very highly recommend them. So first off, some packing foam, some bubble wrap, and here it is. So, there we go. ZWO ASI. There's the camera there. Here's the box. Don't know if I'm doxing myself by giving any of that information out, but I don't think so. So let's see what else we got here. So we got a Hyperstar kind of guide here. This talks a little bit more about the Hyperstar system. I did not order a Hyperstar this time. I did order this. I guess we'll start with this piece here. This is Arizona's Edge filter adapter. So you can actually screw in a filter in this side. Very nice. You can screw in a 2-inch filter on this side, screw this on, and then this piece of the imaging train right here attaches to your cam. So essentially it would be like that, kind of. I'll show you once I get everything unboxed. Yeah, pretty nice. And this actually is collapsible, so you can kind of mock up different situations for whatever back focus you might need. So that's pretty sweet. That's why they sent along the Hyperstar information. I also ordered this is a power supply for the ZWO cam. I ordered from them. Could have gotten a little cheaper on Amazon, but I just wanted to get the recommended one. And like I did before, I kind of just want to show everybody so they can see. Let's see if I can get that to focus. There we go. What type of adapter that is. So that's cool. Nothing too exciting there. So now we'll get on to the main event, my new cam. So if you might have seen in my previous video, I was using a Nikon Z6. Since getting the Pro, it just did not work very well with my DSLR since it wasn't supported. And I figured, you know, if I'm really going to take the leap and get into the ZWO products, I might as well just get a cam. So I did end up getting rid of my Nikon. I actually traded it away for this guy. So, start off, we got a pretty nice box here. We have some more packing material. We do save that around here for some shipping some things. So we have our ZWO and a nice handy, feels very padded. Nice. Let's see what else we get in the box. So another one of those USB 3s with the special end on it. I'm not exactly sure what you call that connector. I believe this is called an A to B. Unfortunately, they don't label their bags. That's all right. So we have another, looks like maybe serial connection. Not exactly sure. Unfortunately, one thing you can kind of fault ZWO for, you know, being a non-American company, they don't always include instructions that are very detailed. They are working on it, so that is something pretty cool that's coming down the way. This is the back focus adapter here. So you have a 16.5 adapter that does spin off here. Pretty nice. And then the other piece is a 21mm. And I try to give angles of all of it because I know when I'm looking at this stuff and trying to figure it all out, there's not a lot of help. This is the Eyepiece Adapter that I did not put on my other ZWO cam I have. And I have learned since that gave me some auto-guiding problems. Another USB A to B, I believe. And then we have a few different types. A few different, looks like O-rings. One's an O-ring. One's flexible. This one's kind of hard. So I'm not exactly sure what they all do. Again, we get our quality tested. As you can see there, they do have, you know, some Chinese letters on there. So, you know, it's from another country, which is kind of nice. We get a little bit of a setup guide here. This just talks about how you can kind of get set up. There is the configuration. That's a 1600 MC. I have the 294mc Pro. That's kind of the setup I will have there. So it does at least give you some more direction than the Pro manual. The Pro manual is about this big and shows you about this much. You really do have to join the forums. Shout out to some of the guys in the forums. They're very helpful. There's their company there. So, let's see what we got. Here is the cam. Very nice. Ooh. You know, you do notice some of the quality they put into their products. Very nice. So, very nice padded bag. Definitely would feel comfortable keeping the camera in there. Here it is. Here is the cam itself. Of course, I'm going to get it all fingerprinted in the video, but there it is. So you can kind of see through it there. That is, I believe, how it is cooled. Looks like possible heat spreader there. And here's the back of the camera. So we see ZWO there, USB 2.0 out. There's 2 ports. I believe you can have your guide camera go through this in conjunction with it. I'm not exactly sure. We have a USB 3, like I said, I think that's called the A or B connector. I'm not sure which size, but I know it's from this cable here. There is the DC 12 volt port, so let's just make sure our cord fits properly. Yep, everything looks good there. And then we see the branding, ASI294mc Pro. So this is my first CCD camera. Very excited. Let's just look at that. Don't need to keep that off any longer than we really need to. But yeah, very excited to get it all rigged up. I will be making a video later today, kind of showing my setup once I have everything rocking and rolling. But yeah, I just wanted to unbox that and show everybody what I got. So yeah, if you have any questions about my setup or why I chose to go with this, just leave some comments down below. Again, there's a sensor. I don't want to keep that off too long. I know how sensitive they can be to dust. Yeah, very nice. Very, very heavy duty. Feels pretty good in the hand. I'm excited for it. There you go. Thanks.